In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add point of interest on this compass. So we have to duplicate this one, and this is going to be compass. Point of interest compass. Okay. Also duplicate this material, and this is going to be point of interest compass material. Okay. Now let's open this compass material. Now for this one, we have to convert this to convert to parameter. This is going to be compass icon. Okay. Now let's get a compass icon. So I'm going to get this quest. Let's get this quest on, or not this one, quest marker, this one. Now we can close this point of interest material. Now let's open our point of interest compass. Now in graph setting, we have to select point of interest compass, and now and now we have to get this reference, and then set texture parameter value. So in our material, we have to copy this name and place it right here. Now we have to create a variable. This is going to be point of interest owner. Set this to actor reference. Get this reference, and then get component by class point of interest. Now in our point of interest, I have to duplicate this one, and this is going to be compass point of interest icon. Compass point of interest icon. So I have to call this one right here, and then I have to plug this right here. That's all I have to do. Now on eventic, we have to make some changes right here. So let's break this link, also break this one. We have to get this owner, convert to valid node. Is it valid? Then we're going to set this right here. On not valid, we're going to remove from parent. And now on yaw, we have to subtract this value with our actor, get actor location. So we have to get actor location, and then we have to get this owner, location, and then find look at rotation, split this pin, and then we have to plug this yaw right here, and then just plug this right here. That's all we have to do. Okay. That's all I have to do right here. Hmm. Now in compass, create a function. This is going to be at point of interest in compass. Create a input for object reference, actor reference, I think. Actor reference, point of interest, owner. Create widget, and this is going to be point of interest compass. Instant editable expose on spawn. I have to plug this out right here. And we have to get this overlay. Overlay compass, get this reference. Overlay compass. Add child to overlay. So I have to add this to overlay. And then we have to set horizontal alignment to center, set vertical alignment to center also. That's all I have to do. Now in our map system, point of interest to map right here. Let's do one thing. Let's open our component, and I'm going to do compass icon. Create a new variable. This is going to be show on compass. Okay, show on compass. Now I'm going to get this one right here. No, let's set this to false. Now is it true? Then in our map system, I'm going to create a new function. This is going to be at point of interest on compass. Okay, we need a input. This is going to be actor owner, actor reference, point of interest owner. Now in event graph, in our map system, we have this compass, so I'm going to get this compass. Oops, not here. In our map system, I'm going to copy this name, and then we have to call this right here, and then promote this to a variable. This is our widget blueprint compass reference. Now I'm going to call this compass reference, and then add point of interest in compass. I have to plug this right here. I think that's all we have to do now. Now let's spawn our quest marker. In this quest marker, Show on compass and icon. I have this compass icon, so I'm going to place it right here. It should work. I think okay, I have to check this again. After that, we have to do in our map system, we have to call this one add point of interest on compass. So on true, we have to add point of interest to on compass. Okay, set this to true. Now we have to get owner. It's working, but we have to fix that. Owner. Oh, we have to divide this with 360. Oh, my bad. Now it's working. Okay, I have 2 point of interest there. So let's place this again. Okay, let's do one thing. In our marker, show this on compass, and then we have this compass marker. So now if I place him here you can see. We have this marker in our compass. In our compass, let's get point of interest color. Okay, get this image reference and then set brush tint color. It's working. So now we can navigate this marker using our compass system. Here you can see. That's nice. Okay, that's all.